Take a ride in the 2016 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, power liftgate, air conditioning, Bluetooth, dual airbags, one owner, alloy wheels. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.